dealing with patients management and treatments and all this stuff, but also with day-to-day work and the management of other organizational aspects as materials, drug traceability, and all this stuff. And maybe you have the question now, maybe not, because it's very early, that why is this not the present, in fact, why we still have some problems? Of course, we have done a lot in this field. We have introduced a lot of new technologies, of innovation. But there are a lot of, there's still a lot of barriers that we have to overcome to have a massive implementation of these kind of services. The first group that we have identified is related to the acceptance of the services. From a user's point of view, that means patients and professionals. If our users has not the will of having new services or new applications, there's nothing we can do apart to try to convince them that they are useful. If we don't have our users on board, we are totally out of the scope. The second group of barriers that we have identified is that sometimes we speak of the same thing but in very different languages. Technicians and professionals dealing with the healthcare sector, we don't speak the same language, and sometimes it's quite hard to reach a common understanding and solutions. Of course, another barrier that we have identified is the interoperability problems and the standardization issues. For us, it's another barrier, the market fragmentation and, of course, the political and regulatory barriers that are associated to that. But we still believe that the introduction of the new technologies, it will be really useful for the sector. So we still work on including new things in the field. Some examples of what we consider that could be the future is the use of medical signals and in vitro in silico sorting models, the combination of genomics with medical applications, the development of new hardware and processes that may facilitate the diagnostics, and the use of the coming results, and the results coming from RTD projects. That is how we do this, the introduction of the innovation of the field. And in fact, I would like to just focus on the European Commission funded projects. These projects are in fact a great source of innovation, and from a business point of view, they are very interesting because they allow us to be in the technological bridge continuously. They give us the opportunity to talk from the very, very beginning to our final users, patients, doctors, nurses, and so on. And also, they allow us to develop new applications filling the gap between the market itself and the research field. In this way, we don't only take advantage of the innovation itself, but also of the intermediate applications and solutions that appear from in the way of implementing these services. Just to conclude, I would like just to highlight some of the points. Although we are already there, the pHealth is our future. Our markets say that is where we should go. Our clients claim for global and personalized solutions, and that is our final goal. If we really want to go there, if we really want a wide adoption of the ICT, we have to work together to overcome the existing barriers. Therefore, all relevant stakeholders should collaborate in order to take advantage of our current situation to produce better, cheaper, and more adapted solutions for our clients. And that's all. Thank you very much for your attention and time.